Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Maria, and if you're not, hello again and thank you very much for watching. So today's video is going to be a little bit more laid back, and I decided to film a mini series. It's going to be 3 videos, and I just want to pamper myself a little bit. I truly need it, and I'm going to film the end result. So I want to first clean my skin using a black mask, and that's what I'm going to do in today's video. And then I want to do a very fun mask, and I'm going to end the series with a 24 karat gold mask that costs around $1,000. So yeah, that's going to be really exciting. And yeah, if you're interested in spending this time with me and seeing the end result, stay tuned and watch the video. So I'm going to apply the mask now, and then I'm going to talk a little bit about it. It's very black, as you can see. Okay, so I applied the mask, and I know I look really silly at the moment. I'm supposed to leave it for 20 to 30 minutes to dry down and then peel it off, and I'm afraid this is going to hurt a lot. So be prepared for some screaming. But before I start screaming, let me just tell you a little bit about this mask. So this is a cleaning mask. This is why I decided to use it first, because I want to prepare my skin for some moisture and all that stuff. So usage, you're basically supposed to apply it like I did, avoiding your eyes and mouth and your hair, because it will pull your hairs out. I'm not even kidding. So maybe it's going to give me a little bit of that exfoliation as well. The only thing I don't like is that it has alcohol, and alcohol is actually the third ingredient here, which is really bad. Apart from that, I'm having high hopes for this mask, but we're going to see. So yeah, it's drying down a little bit. It has all these bubbles. I don't know why. It's very thick and it's very black. So yeah, let's wait a couple of minutes and see. Okay, so the mask is beginning to set a little bit, and it's becoming increasingly hard to talk. So before I cannot talk at all, I just wanted to show you a close-up of the mask, and I'm having a lot of fun here. I'm laying down watching some Netflix, and yeah, this is the current situation, and it's been only about 5 minutes, so it's drying much quicker than I anticipated. Okay, the mask is completely dry and it's like glue on my skin. I think it's going to be really hard to remove. So yeah, this is going to be a moment of truth and screaming. So yeah, keep your fingers crossed for me and pray for me. Whew, I'm going to survive this. I know I will. So yeah, let's do this. Here we go. Okay. Oh, that hurts a lot. Ay, Okay, so this hurts a lot and I'm barely containing myself. And now it's time for the moment of truth. We'll see if it removes any blackheads from my nose or anything like that. That would be really great. Okay, so let's see what we've got over here. So this is almost in one piece, and yeah, now I'm going to do a close-up. Okay, I'm going to go wash up the rest of my face, and then we're going to see what this mask has done. Okay, so upon inspecting the mask itself, I couldn't notice any blackheads or whiteheads on the mask itself. My face does look a lot cleaner. The one thing I did notice on the mask, and I don't know if you can see it in the video, is that the mask actually removed most of my peach fuzz, and that's the reason why it was so painful to remove the mask. I believe that's the main reason. So yeah, I like that fact. I don't know if I would use this mask again. If I did, maybe once a month or something like that, because I don't know if it's worth the pain. My skin does feel a lot smoother, probably because of all the peach fuzz removed, and it does look cleaner. So yeah, that's a big benefit. So yeah, I'm going to leave it at that. So yeah, that concludes this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, leave it a thumbs up, and please share your experiences down below if you've ever tried this mask and if it worked for you or not. So I think people would really like to know that. So yeah, until the next video in the series, see you. Bye.